Guys, Lino here, VancityTrader. Just wanted to do a quick video. As we all know, tons of opportunity for traders like myself and people watching to get funded by these futures companies. 10 years ago, there was one player in the market. Fast forward all the way up to now, they are a handful with different rules, different payout schedules, different scaling, different this, different that. Um, but which brings me to my next point in this video is there is a new kid on the block, My Funded Futures. They are a sister company of My Funded Forex, which has been around for a while. Um, well known, well known for paying out their traders millions of dollars every month, and they have just started a futures evaluation and funded program. Why I think it's the best and why I think it's going to take over, I'm going to explain to you here in this video and why I think it's great. Let's let's take a look at it. They offer basically two different programs. It'd be a starter and an expert. I'm going to focus a little bit more on the expert today because that's where I'll be going. That's where I think the value is. So here are the expert plans. Why I think they're great. So let's take a look at it. No scaling. So in a lot of these other programs, they limit you to how many contracts you're going to trade. Now, it is to help the trader, but some people want to go in and trade a max 10 or 15 contracts. Why not limit them? So that is completely gone. No activation fees. So the one-time payment you pay for your evaluation, once you pass it, you ain't paying anything else. That is it. That is huge in my opinion. There are other companies that charge $85, $100, $150, $300, $400, $500 once you pass the account to get activated. There's nothing more here. Huge. No consistency rule and challenge or funded. What that means is if your profit target's 5, 8, 10, 12,000, whatever account you choose, and you hit that in one day, in one trade, you're moving on. You don't have to do a 50% or a 30% consistency. You go in, you make your profit, you move on. End of day trailing. That is awesome. There's really no other way to trade, in my opinion. I have tried it with these other companies that have intraday trade or intra-trade trailing, where you're up, say, $1,000 or 1,500. You think there's more upside room in your trade, and then it comes back a little bit and hits your trailing max drawdown. Busted, game over, got to start again, reset, pay another fee. Here, end of day trailing. There's really no other way to do it, in my opinion. No limit on payouts. If you make 10 grand in your first day of trading and you want to take out 5,000 the next day, you can do that. They're not going to limit you for the first 3 months on any payments or anything that way. That is huge. Tell me another company that's doing that, right? That's why I like My Funded Futures and why I think they're going to take over. Payout every 14 calendar days. What that means is basically every 10 trading days. Pretty standard. Maybe that changes in the future, but it's 10 days, it's 2 weeks. Everybody should be able to do that. So no minimum trading days that you need to do it. You get in on your first day, you go in and do it. It's just the payouts every 14 days. No daily drawdown limit. So you trade how you want to trade. Let's take a look. The plans. So here are your Rhythmic and Tradeovate. They'll offer both. Three different account sizes, 50, 100, and 150K. All of them have an 8% target. Your max loss in the day for the 50 is a little bit higher, but basically, 3,000, 4,500 for the mid-size and larger accounts. Max contracts 5, 10, and 15, more than enough to make some profits. Scaling, none. Huge. Another huge one is the monthly fee, 165, 265, 375. There will be a 50% code once this launches at some point today. No cap on payout. I mean, activation fee, nothing. I mean, you can pay so much with some of these other companies. This is just the beginning of, I think, My Funded Futures. I think they're going to grow really quickly. I think a lot of people are going to catch on to what they're doing. That's why I like it. That's why I'll be buying some evaluations here shortly. And you can trade up to 10 accounts. So here's a little bit more. There is a consistency rule in the starter plans. That's why I'm not talking about it too much. One-step evaluation, up to 10 funded accounts. If you have 10, 150, that's 1.5 million in funding. No profit cap on withdrawals on the expert plans, 90-10 up to the first 10,000, no activation fees. It really doesn't get better than what they're offering right now. If you're interested, I have an affiliate link in the description below. Feel free to hit that, learn more about it, sign up. I make a small mini commission, but everything helps. Hope to make more videos and about once I start trading with them, about me moving to the funded stages, hopefully, and do some payouts. And yeah, feel free to leave a comment, ask any questions, click the link below, and check them out yourselves. They're going to take over. Mark my words. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.